Hey guys, this is David from Rental for Less. In this video, I'll show you how to build a hanging fireplace mantle. Please continue watching for my tutorial, and please like and subscribe for more DIY rental tips on a budget. To build this mantle, I used 3 pieces of lumber, one 1x3 and two 1x6. I start by measuring each piece to the length I want the mantle to be. I then cut all 3 pieces. I measure out and cut 2 small pieces for the ends of the mantle. Once the pieces are all cut, I sand them. I'm using a brad nailer to nail the pieces together. At this step, it would be helpful to have someone holding the pieces with you. I had to trim the end pieces so they could fit. Now I use wood filler to fill in all the gaps and to hide the nails. After I let it dry for a few hours, I sand it by hand. Before applying the stain, I use a wood conditioner. This step really helped the stain to be evenly distributed on the wood. For the stain, I combined special walnut and classic gray. We let the stain dry, then diluted white paint into water to give the mantle a whitewashed look. I finally added polyurethane to give a protective coating to the mantle. To install this to the wall, I cut 4 small pieces and drilled them into the studs. I use tape to mark where the pieces are. I then set the mantle and drilled screws from the bottom to hold it in place. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more DIY videos. And that's how you reno for less.